so hard here, you know. River, swimming in the river and doing, having fun, much. Yes. So daw sumangali daw. Stop guys, ilaw sila guys. Swimming sila guys. Ilaw to the Tagay girls. Tagay girls yun na. Ang lula lang na guys. Tagay pa di kanina di ay. Atik na. Tik na dito dahil. Yan guys, kita na sila guys. Amat guys. Picture sa amin kanina guys. Kita sila guys. Nagpakasaya sila. Na, okay. 1, 2, 3. Yan guys, si Carl guys. Carl Vincent Andoy. Welcome to my vlog. Ayan guys, si Jem Carlo Pamote guys. Siya na picture sa akin ganina guys. So cute niya guys, cute. Ito, sulaha. Ayan guys, kita yung view kanina guys. Ganda ang view, diba guys? Dito sa Davao City, Ligan. What's up? So, good luck guys, it's up to you. Bye.